Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the CapCut app on your mobile device. In this case I'm using iPhone, but it's the exact same on Android, just using the Google Play Store. So first up, you want to go to the App Store. In my case it's on my home screen on the right side right there. And then from there you want to go to the bottom right page, the search page, and type in the search bar CapCut. Press search and it's going to load up CapCut. From there's a button on the right hand side. It's like a sort of cloud with an arrow pointing down. For you, if you've never downloaded it before, it will say the words get. So you want to press that and go through the steps. Make sure that you've got a good internet connection as well before you actually start downloading. From there, it's basically going to start downloading. CapCut is quite a big file size for mobile, so I'll come back in a little second once this has downloaded. Okay guys, so the CapCut app has now officially downloaded on this device. From there, it gives you the option to open the app. I'm going to press that. It's going to launch CapCut. Would you like to send notifications? Don't allow. Terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure that you read the T's and C's before you agree and continue. From there, I'm basically press personal user for personal use, videos following a trend, search engine. Allow CapCut to track your activity across companies, apps and websites. Press allow. And from there, guys, if you want to start editing, go down to the bottom left tab, the sort of scissor icon that says edit. You can tap new project, allow access to all photos, and from there you can start creating your own videos, images, basically use CapCut to edit videos and post on social media. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks.